Preparation and planning will help you get started towards a successful dryfix installation. Start by pulling back a workable section as soon as you're done dry laying the flooring. Next, carefully vacuum the area. You should then plan your work so that the seams of the dryfix do not line up with the flooring seams. Once complete, pull the first sheet of dryfix and carefully place it into position using a flat trowel or large brush to remove any air bubbles. Apply the next sheet, making sure you overlap the seam at least 1/2 inch, and again remove any air bubbles using a flat trowel or large brush. Trim in as required around the perimeter. After about 15 minutes, trace cut the seams using a straight edge and a straight-bladed knife. Next, remove both layers of the dryfix from underneath the seam. Cut the wax paper about 6 inches from the flooring and fold that underneath to keep the edge clean. Then, remove the wax paper from the area and place the flooring back down into the dryfix in the correct position. Remember that once you walk on the flooring, you will not be able to reposition it. Complete the installation by rolling the flooring with a 100-pound roller.